Good afternoon.
So our agenda for today is to discuss about some important matter regarding with our business, which is Nestle Manufacturing. So if our business is performing very well in comparison with the competitors, not just only in our country, but domestically. So first, we discuss the profitability of our business. And Mr. Alfie Montemorgan, can you give the profitability of our business?
Good afternoon, everyone. So, in our company, we have a good news and bad news. The good news is our overall profit margin result is slightly increasing. And the bad news is our gross profit margin result is slightly declining due to the cost of some pressure of some product of our company. So, in our return on equity, it shows that it is slightly decreasing due to the some many competitors compete. So you will not worry about that because even though it is decreasing, but it is still better than other competitors. So that's my information.
Now let's proceed to the efficiency and liquidity of our business. So Mrs. Oga.
So, the information shows that the efficiency of the inventory turnover and the asset turnover of the company is declining in the subsequent years. It implies that the management is not efficiently managing its inventory and assets to generate its revenue. And on the other hand, its liquidity is declining also. Thus, this indicates that our company will have problems paying its bills on time, and the company will be vulnerable to its short-term creditor demands.
So now let's proceed to the leverage and earnings of our business. So Mr. Cabales.
So good afternoon again. So the leverage ratios. Nestle debt to equity ratios shows an upward trend over the period of 5 years. So which is an alarming situation because it suggests that the percentage of assets which are financed by the debt is increasing. So for the earnings quality, in assessing earnings quality of Nestle, we note that the balance sheet based approval ratio of Nestle is 32% in comparison to 26.5% of its competitors. So this indicates that Nestle is increasing more of its competitor.
So now let's proceed to the trend analysis. So based on the information, the trend analysis of our business is growing, and this was very impressive over the period of 5 years, but it was outpaced by even higher growth in the company's net income. But the overall, in our income statement, it says that the company's financial status has improved, while most of the expenses have decreased, which indicates a favorable perspective from an investment perspective. And based also to our balance sheet, long-term liabilities and our long-term financing has gone down, which is good sign, as indicates that company took less loans in 2011, implying less degree of risk in firm's capital structure in terms of long-term debt. And as I conclude that our business have increased their dependency on debt to meet its obligation and to finance its capital expenditures over the period of time. So that's our meeting for today. So thank you.
Thank you.
Meeting adjourned.
Okay na.
Thank you, sir.